AI art tools like Dall-e and Midjourney have made it possible for anyone, regardless of artistic skills, to create stunning digital art. These tools turn simple text descriptions into unique images, making art creation more accessible than ever. In this video, we'll explore how to use AI art tools and show you how easy it is to get started. AI art tools are platforms that generate images from text prompts. You simply type in a description of what you want, and the AI creates a custom image for you. Dall-e and Midjourney are two popular examples, each known for their ability to produce high-quality artwork based on detailed descriptions. For example, if you type a futuristic cityscape at sunset, the AI will generate an image that matches your description. To start, you'll need to create an account on Dall-e or Midjourney's website. Once you're in, just enter a text prompt describing your desired image, and the tool will generate a unique artwork based on your input. For instance, you could ask for a realistic portrait of a cat in a Victorian outfit, and the AI will create a fun, unique image. Experimenting with different prompts can be a great way to see the creative potential of these tools. One of the exciting features of these AI art tools is the ability to customize styles. Dall-e, for example, lets you adjust factors like color, style, and level of detail, while Midjourney allows you to experiment with artistic styles like watercolor or surrealism. This customization makes it easy to create images that match your personal style or specific project needs. AI-generated art can be used in a variety of ways. Many people use it to enhance presentations, design social media posts, or create visual assets for blogs and websites. It's also perfect for brainstorming creative ideas, as you can quickly visualize concepts without needing traditional art skills. Whether you're a marketer, designer, or just exploring creativity, AI art can open new doors. AI art tools like Dall-e and Midjourney make it easy for anyone to create digital artwork, no matter their experience level. These tools don't just help you make beautiful images, they let you explore your creativity in new and exciting ways. If this video inspired you to try creating art with AI, please hit the like and follow button for more content on tech and creative tools. Thanks for watching.